It's better to keep your mouth closed and let people think you are a fool than to open it and remove all doubts. Whenever you find yourself in the side of majority, it is time to pause and reflect. It's not the size of the dog in the fight, it's the size of the fight in the dog. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. Age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. All you need in life is ignorance and confidence, and success is sure. It's your job to eat a frog. It's best to do it first thing in the morning. And if you have to eat two frogs, it's best to eat the biggest one first. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Patriotism is supporting your country all the time and your government when it deserves it. A person who won't read has no advantage over who can't read. Anger is an acid that can cause more harm to the vessel in which it is stored than to anything on which it is poured. Get your facts first, then you can distort them as you please. Don't go around saying the world owes you a living. It owes you nothing. It was here first. The fear of death follows from fear of life. The man who lives fully is prepared to die anytime. In the first place, God made idiots. That was for practice. Then He made school boards. Forgiveness is the fragrance that the violet shades on the heels that has crushed it. I am an old man and have known great many troubles, but most of them never happened. By land, they aren't making it anymore. Never put off till tomorrow what you can do day after tomorrow. Go to heaven for the climate, hell for the company. Don't let schooling interfere with your education. There are lies, damned lies, and statistics. The best way to cheer yourself up is to try to cheer somebody else up. Courage is resistance to fear, mastery of fear, not absence of fear. Don't part with your illusions. When they are gone, you may still exist, but you have ceased to live. Good friends, good books, and a sleepy conscience, that is the ideal life. A man who carries cat by tail learns something he can learn no other way. Truth is stranger than fiction, and it's because fiction is obliged to stick to possibilities. Truth isn't. It ain't those parts of Bible which I can't understand. That troubles me. It is the part that I do understand. The human race has one really effective weapon, and that is laughter. Denial ain't just a river in the Egypt. I can live for 2 months on a good compliment. All generalizations are false, including this one. The only way to keep your health is to eat what you don't want, to drink what you don't like, and to do what you would rather not. The difference between almost right and right is really a large matter. This is the difference between lightning bug and lightning. Do the right thing, it will gratify some people and astonish the rest. Climate is what we expect, weather is what we get. Never pick a fight with people who buy ink by barrel. Golf is a good walk spoiled. Thunder is good, thunder is impressive, but it is lightning that does the work. Which one you like the most? Do share in the comment box. And if you want video on any other person, let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching.